morning, everyone. Trade morning, Junyan, morning Kong, morning. Morning, welcome back to Rise and Trade, where I'll start to plan my day every single morning on weekdays to see if you can have any opportunity or chances to open the long or short on Bitcoin. All right, let me see. I will do like this. Otherwise, I won't be able to. In the meantime, let me have some music.
There's this crazy idea that's
Morning. All right, first thing first. Bitcoin. First thing first, Bitcoin. We went down. See, yesterday, all this what we're mentioning. If let's say if you broke 61.8, then we can see a bigger retracement to 60,000. All right. Then cut loss have to be 63. Well, from the order book, we broke 61.7 and go back up, nearly hit my stop loss. Then it go down again Okay, so right now we are a little bit, it's actually better because we have the last liquidity here. And then after that, we have a big gap here. This is a huge gap. This green color box is a huge gap. Huge gap of what? Huge gap of no, I call it BPR. Is it called BPR? It's a balanced price range because it is an imbalance over here. So basically, there's a sharp. It will open up in 4 hours time frame or like 2 hours time frame. So we have a big, huge imbalance in here. We have a big, huge imbalance is here. So this is the area where we start to do long. This is the area where we will start to plan for long. And if you look at a bigger picture, one moment. If you look at a bigger picture, right, you guys can see there's an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So sharp drop, we form the left shoulder, then we have the head, then we might have the right shoulder around here. We might actually forming an inverse head and shoulder. I'm not sure whether you guys can see it or not, but yep. So if we measure the inverse head and shoulder, the moment you break up, you can see 73,000. 73,000. So, yep. So basically, other than this, and just look at the manipulation, man. We have been talking about this manipulation for weeks. All right. So this is consolidation. Come back down, manipulation, go back up, and then right now, there's a lot of people didn't manage to long at 56.7 this area. Then I keep mentioning that don't worry, because if we are going to see a pump up, right, definitely we'll do a retest. But this retest is not that strong to be, in my opinion. In my opinion, it's not that strong. Okay, why is it not that strong? Let me just draw out all the things. See, so we are trading in a range. And we are rejected by the middle point of the channel. We are rejected at the middle point of the channel. That's why if you notice, I actually have a lot of shots open. You can see from here, I have a lot of shots open. 74, 70. All of the shots already have partial take profit. You can see all my shots are open from here. All my shots are open from here. So upcoming, we will get a rebound. Probably. That's why you can see all my short is around this area, around 65,000 to 64.5 to 65,000. So this is all my short, man. This is all my shorts. I start to short from the top. I didn't short from the top like 65.4. I didn't. So I wait it to retrace. So this is what I do. I wait it to retrace from here to here. Retrace at 618. I limit at 618. I didn't manage to enter. So immediately when I saw it, I keep opening short of position around here. Can you guys see it? It's actually more. I'm not sure whether you guys can see it or not. That is actually more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shots. 4 shots. 4 shots, alright? I opened a 4 short position around 63.8 to 64,000. 63.8 to 64,000. And when it dropped to around here, 62.6, all of them I partial take profit and smooth stop loss to entry. Move stop loss to entry, which I call it safety pin. And then yesterday I short again, and I short again all the position, because I did short at 61.8, but then when it come back down, I break even and exit first, because I actually going to sleep. I was going to sleep, so when it dropped down, I exited already. So I still have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shot open with me. Alright, 6 shot open with me. So upcoming right now, my plan will be so we actually grab this liquidity. If we manage to go back up above this liquidity, then yes, I'll try to do a long. But at this moment, I can see a lot of bullish divergence is broken. Is broken. So I will be slightly more cautious. As I mentioned, if it broke 61.8, we might see a sharp drop to 60,000. That's our first TP. That's our first TP. No, that's our first TP at around 60,000, which is 618. That is 618. But right now we're at 0.5. Whether this 0.5 will work or not, I'm not sure. Whether this 0.5 will work or not, I'm not sure. But if this 0.5 hold up the price, then I'll close the shop first. So right now, I'll move my stop loss to entry. So if it go back up again, then I lose nothing. So right now, it's either 0 or 100. I lose 0. If I win, it depends on how much I win. Alright. Let me just put. Alright. Yep. So if you see from here, it was supposed to be a retest. So right now we grab this liquidity and we didn't get back up. The liquidity. So if there's no reaction to go back up again, then there's a higher chance of it to go more down. The price will actually, how to draw the magnet thing? Let me just let me see if I manage to get a magnet. So this is a magnet. This is a magnet that it will try to draw. You try to attract the price down. Alright. So yep, that is, and then I'll I'll enter my Ethereum long first because Ethereum hit the 0.618. So right now, if you look at USDT dominance, we are, so you see, we are at a resistance and a retest. So this 12% drop, which lead to Bitcoin drop as well. And then after this, immediately, so this pick up when BTC dominance hit 5.41%. This is where Bitcoin actually dropped to 57,000, and go back up to 65,000 during this time. So right now, USDT dominance is facing resistance. If you ask me, this is a resistance. So there is a chance where Bitcoin will actually start to bounce. There is a chance that Bitcoin will start to bounce. Right, Right, and then let me check USDT dominance. Oh, so it's a retest as well. So upcoming, we'll really see Bitcoin. If Bitcoin go up, all the altcoins will go up as well. If you look at total, it's the same thing. If you look at total, it's the same thing. Total has in the total market cap the whole crypto. Total market cap of the whole crypto. So, yeah, we are a bit blur. In terms of the line on or the support resistance, but nevertheless, we are at this range. Where yep. See the previous one when it broke this resistance, it hold, retest and go up. Then when it come back down, it retests again. It come back out, it retrace again. So when it come back down, so it retests around all this area. And then yeah, so right now we are at another retest. So if this retest is holding up, then we can see total also will go up probably another like 6-7% until the next resistance. So when during this time, right, Bitcoin definitely will go up, man. So if you ask me whether will I long, yeah, probably. I think I'll start to plan my long today. But there's a gap of let me see. Broke here, we retested. Yeah, I'm checking as well. That's such a good questions. Okay, let me just give you a very brief idea like what is happening right now. So let me just remove all this, all right? So you can see we are indeed in a blue flag. If you want to draw like this, all right? We are indeed in a blue flag. So an upward movement with a bull flag, and then it will go up. So what is a bull flag? You guys can just Google up a bull flag, all right? Bull flag is literally a flagpole, the flag, and then a flag exit. So if we wanted to calculate this from here to here, if we exited from here, that is where we will go to 100,000, man. So will this round go to 100,000? This is something that we can look into. All right, this is something that we can look into. All right, this is something that you can look into. And where is the area that we can start to long? Okay, let me just like draw out all the possibility, you know. We are in 4 hours or in day chart, right? We are actually in a downtrend. You see, the reason why I say in a downtrend, as in the price is at this. Let me just draw for you. You see, this is the high, this is a lower high, this is a low, this is a lower low. You see, so unless we form a higher high, and then we have to break this, then we can see a higher high. So right now, as mentioned, we didn't manage to catch this. Across. Let's try to catch this. Right, let's try to catch this, all right? So what I'll do is I'll long here. I'll long here immediately. And my take profit will be here. The first take profit will be here. I'll long here. My first take profit will be around here. Yep. Because right now, because I'm gonna end my life soon, I'm actually heading for my breakfast time. So if in 15-minute time frame we close above this, then I'll do a long first. But this long, just to be aware that there's not much volume though. Yeah, there's not much volume. This is bad. I think there's still another drop. It's at 45. Let me see. Let me see if we have any. Oh, Wow. Wow. This is interesting, guys. Let me just double check. Indeed. But it's a very weak one, but it is. We actually found a bullish divergence in CBD in 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour chart. This is damn bullish. Let me just... Yeah, we actually found a 4-hour bullish divergence. And right now, we just have to find the right spot to long. Alright, guys, we just have to find the right spot to long. And okay, why I'll start to go for a long? Let me just give you a example of this. So you see, previously, is it here? Previously, it was the same in here. So we do have the low here as well. It broke. It stand above. A small retrace, then it straight away pump up already. You can see. So you can see. So this is what happened last time, but this time a little bit difference. A little bit difference is where instead of straight away go up, we actually drop below. So right now it's definitely a good long. I'll start to do a long. And we are at resistance. We are at local resistance. So yep. We grab this liquidity. Now we are just heading up. Will I be successful to long this? I'll put my stop loss at 60,900. Okay. Short, just put safety pin, Short, just put safety pin. If it drop down, then it will drop down. Yeah, if you're not in profit, so this drop down. If you aren't in profit, this short can take some profit. Right? Because right now we are at this resistance, which we just broke. And then we just have to keep the momentum up. Then yeah, we are good to go. So if you drop down now, which is what happened right now, it's not that good anymore. All right. So if this 15-minute candle close before this, if it close before 61.5 and 61.420, then this long is a bit risky. Otherwise, we are all good. All right. Yeah, I'm still holding my short. Ethereum is actually better. If you guys wanted to long, Ethereum is actually better because we are at 618 already. Okay. So yeah, pretty much that's it for today. We are starting to plan for long for today, and then the first target we actually aim for is not much. As long as we can go to 62,000, we'll PTP 60p first. Alright, as long as we can go to 62,000, I'll partial take profit and put safety pin first. Alright. Yeah, man. I think pretty much that's it for today. I hope this morning information is good for you for rise and trade when you wake up, earn some profit, and here it goes. Alright. Thanks, guys. I'm going to head for breakfast. See you.